Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to show the speed of the internet, mobile network, and Wi-Fi here above next to the Rezo sign without programs. An easy and simple way only from your phone settings, but before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me and thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. I hope from the heart that you get everything you wish for now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step we do is go to the settings. After that, we go to the settings search engine and click on it. Then we write only or show the internet speed or speed. You write here speed display. After that, you click on this option that appears to you now. Now, simply, you have to activate this feature from here. As you can see now, the internet speed will appear, and here it appeared without any programs only through this simple method. For any problem, for any inquiry, for any advice, for any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.